Hi guys, we'll be doing modification of crème brûlée for coffee. It's called Latte Brule. Let's start. First of all, let's add some syrup to the glass. It should be caramel syrup, but maple syrup works as well. Next, we add a double shot of espresso. Now we add cappuccino style microfoamed milk. Microphone on the top. And then, here's the fun part. We're using a torch. Put in some sugar. And after we add the sugar, we need to caramelize it with the torch. Okay. And let's do it quick. And here we are, Latte Brule. Let's try it. A little bit too caramelized. Something new. So, give it a try. Let me know what you think about it. If you like what you see, click like. If you don't like it, click dislike. It's okay. And please put some comment below. So, thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.